Hey guys, this is Ritain from Fueler. So I am at NIT Agartala, and here I have Anshu with me, and I'm going to take his interview on like experience of ITAC 2025. So let's see. Hi Anshu, how are you?
Sir, I'm good. Thank you so much.
All right. So how's your experience so far at ITAC?
Sir, my experience so far was very good. Like being the part of the organizing team,
Okay.
organizing event, managing the events, having the having the chance to have the hospitality of the guests,
Okay.
receiving them,
Got it.
then spending time with them, knowing with them. It
Got
was
it.
all just good and best part of my life.
Got
So
it.
I'm just enjoying it to the fullest.
All right. So which was the best guest apart from me?
Sir, since your session didn't happen now, I know that your session will be the best one. But before that, I felt Tanuj and ma'am's session and Gajendra Purohit sir's session
Wow.
were equally good for me.
Wow, wow, that's really lovely. And do you have any complaints with anyone? गुस्सा निकाल सकते हो?
Complaints, not exactly, but yeah, I do have some complaints with people, the ones who are just missing the session. I do have complaints for them. I
Well
mean,
played, well played.
I mean, they're actually missing something very good. If they could have come and they could have attended the session, obviously they would have learned a lot.
Awesome,
So yeah.
awesome. So Anshu, like, do you have any like suggestions for your juniors, like who are junior to you, right, in your college, who are maybe in the first year right now? So yeah.
So the suggestion which I would like to give them is be the part of the organizing team, attend the sessions because the more you'll get the exposure, the more you'll get experience, and the more skills you will learn. So that in coming future years you can be the part of the organizing team. And also, I would like to say that in my first year and in my current second year as well, I have missed the chance to to explore Fueler a lot. I mean Fueler, and to make my portfolio on that.
Yes.
So to the first years, I would like to say that do go check out the Fueler and make portfolio on it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Anshu. Means a lot, and thanks for mentioning Fueler as well. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.